loves, I'm Brianna. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a house tour of our new home here in Hawaii. In case you're new, we moved from Ohio to Oahu in January. I, probably like a lot of you, just had a really hard time with my mental health over this last year and just felt like the seasonal depression and then postpartum anxiety and depression, it was all just like really overwhelming. I explain a lot of it in my like last Q&A and update video in case you're looking just for more details on all of that and to know like you're not alone. But ultimately our family kind of decided that we just needed some changes and it was going to be so much better for our mental health to move to a place where we could be outside every single day. So we moved here to Hawaii and we found a new home that I'm just so excited because we're actually going to be downsizing. If you followed my channel for a while, I have struggled with decluttering and just the accumulation of stuff has really like taken its toll, and I'm just honestly I'm like smiling right now because I'm just so excited for the change of like moving to a new place, having a fresh start. I'm also just really excited to decorate this new home too. And this summer we're going to be going back to Ohio for a bit, so I'm going to be decluttering our Ohio house. We're not going to be bringing a ton of that furniture with us to Hawaii, so it really is going to be a bit more of like a fresh start here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it all and to just like sharing this new leg of the journey with all of you. So I hope you subscribe if you're new and turn on your notifications because yeah, there's going to be lots of decluttering, decorating, and just like life updates because I feel like so much has changed for me and who I'm becoming even since just like moving to Hawaii in January. But okay, I'm sure you want to see the house. There's a lot of things that I just have like going through my brain right now beyond decorating it, as far as making it more functional and organizing, you know, smaller spaces compared to what our home in Ohio is like to this house. So it's going to be, I think, like a really fun process for me to just go on this journey towards minimalism. Not that I'm like perfect at it. I'm learning, I'm trying really hard. But yes, so as you're watching this video, if there is anything in the home that you're like, this would make it more functional, this is, you know, how I can see you organizing this smaller space, or like ideas that you have, that would all be greatly appreciated because I do just want it to be very functional for our family. I want it to be incredibly welcoming and homey for our family in the decor that I'm going to pick out. But then I also want it to feel as minimal as possible for my mental headspace. But okay, I'm chatting a bunch. I'll see you back here after the house tour is over. Tuesday, yeah, May 25th. May 25th. Oh my God. What do you guys think?
Yes. No, second.
We can go kayaking here.
Yeah. Isn't that gonna be so fun?
Look, these fields.
Yeah.
How deep is it? Oh, I think I would this hike thing.
Yeah, we've hiked on there before.
Well, we couldn't make it down there the whole way because of the lady that couldn't hear.
Yeah. Remember we had to call the ambulance for her? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so look, this is the new kitchen.
Oh.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Can I touch it because it is on?
You can touch it.
You're so cute. You can turn every light on.
And here, we'll go down.
I think this is going to be your and Presley's room.
Yeah. We were thinking bunk beds in here for you guys. And then you have a view, Landon, of the water too. So like bunk beds on this wall.
The furniture is not ours though. The house is. Yeah, you want to see on? Can you see on the window good?
We'll have
I could jump up to there.
measure everything, but
Look at the mountain.
I can still see.
And the canal. And see the birds? There's 2 ducks that live under the house.
I remember that trail. Why? And we couldn't make it down.
That is the trail we went down. You're right. That's a good memory.
I want to see. But we couldn't make it down because we had to call the ambulance for the baby.
Well,
No,
not
for
from
the
neighbors,
girl.
'cause the girl was stuck there.
Yeah.
But so yeah, we're thinking bunk beds in here, but we're gonna have to measure.
There's 2 ducks.
They're
And
down
here
here
we
right now.
go.
But there's usually lots of wild birds.
This room, right now it's set up as an office. And we're trying to figure out if we turn this, because like this wall is the wall where the entry is, if maybe we actually open this up and do laundry here, because laundry is currently outside, and make this into like a bunch of built-ins so that there can be like built-in desk and tons of just like storage space in here so that we have more of like a drop zone for when we come into the house. Yes, baby.
Someday I want to go to this house, okay?
We're gonna move in here this summer, okay? Yeah.
Is that where you're gonna do your homework?
Animals.
Yeah, there are some in here. We're thinking,
Okay, so bedroom 3. This is a 1-portion bedroom.
well, yeah, so we're thinking this is gonna be Hayden's nursery.
And that's gonna be
Okay.
your bedroom.
We're not sure yet,
This
but
is his closet.
I think so. Yep, so that's his big closet. And then this is Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. That view. Yes, please.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
But again, we're downsizing, so Adam and I are going to be channeling all of our minimalist vibes and sharing this closet. What I was thinking, you have to tell me what you think. What I was thinking was having some kind of like dresser here for us that like, you know, takes up almost like 3/4 of it, but then still having like something here and then being able to hang things over it. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure it out. But if you have any like closet ideas for this space, let me know. And then I have to turn on what's in here. So this is the bathroom for now. We kind of said we're gonna make like the bathrooms and kitchen all our own. My idea here, I've like seen it on Pinterest, is to actually have a window here so that you can, you know, see the mountain view sort of from the tub, but then still have like the shower stall on this side of the tub, if that makes sense. I don't know, that was my idea. We'll have to see if I can do it. But oh, this other bathroom, so this then will be like the kids' bathroom in here. Here's what I was talking about, like the entry, and like what I'm kind of envisioning is like this being opened up and possibly like have the wall here so that there can be like locker and cubbies that would like go into what would then be like a drop zone, laundry, office, like just loads of storage so that there's like more place for everything that like the family brings into the house after school and sports and all that. And so then this living area, kind of imagine like this wall then being popped out further, and it will be like a lanai here then that gives us more like family living space, and then even more like kitchen space. Here's
Love you, Mom.
I love you too, baby. Okay, here I'll kind of show you guys. This is the area then of like bumping out, so we can like use all this space to just make more like outdoor living area when we build a lanai here.
And when we dance that way.
Yeah, what do you think of your new backyard?
Think it's big?
Mommy,
Yeah?
let's go through here and see something that Daddy told us.
Oh, you're gonna go through there? Oh, my favorite.
And make it a little cord and nothing is fine. You'll be okay. It's a gate.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back here.
Could you just listen to her all day?
Daddy, Dad.
Okay, so back here, our plan is pool in this area. And then currently, laundry's in this little like outdoor shed area. But that's what we're debating, of like trying to move that inside and then just turning this into more of like patio area. And then the ultimate goal is to build up so that there's like a master suite and another bedroom on the second story here. And the storage shed will probably get relocated too. We're not quite sure what or like how, or if we're gonna just get rid of that storage shed and do like different storage maybe over here. What do you think? Should we put a pool right here? Swimming pool? I missed it, but there was a cardinal just now peeking through the fence.
Look, there's the washing machine.
Yeah, that's where the washing machine is. Our big dilemma is like right now, this is the wall where the TV would have to go. So it just feels, oh, you didn't measure that?
I can see from where the door is.
Yeah.
And I measured it. I think the door is like 8 feet.
Yeah. That's where I'm trying to envision, like if there's another wall here and there's more of like a separate entryway, if that would just be more functional. So that is the house tour. I'm so excited, you guys, and I'm just like so grateful that we found this house, and every time I'm in it, I just look out at that view and I feel so zen and at peace and so excited about just what's to come in the future and like what our life can be like as a family in this new home and in this new space. So yeah, I'm just like so grateful, and I'm also just like sending you so much love, because I truly mean this. Like, you have been with me on such a journey of motherhood and my life and through hard times, and it just feels like really nice to get to share something with you that I'm like so at peace about. Like, I'm gonna like cry tears of joy, because yeah, it just I said this in my update too, but if you've just been in a place where you just don't know if your life's like gonna continue, or you question that, it's just so promising to know like it's gonna go on and like things can get better. And so I hope if you're sitting there and you're like at all like, is life gonna get better? Is it worth it? Like, please know it will, and that I'm here for you. And I hope to take you on this journey and help you in any way if you're just struggling with the things that I've struggled with, whether it's depression, anxiety, just confusion around being a mom, or maybe motherhood not always being necessarily what you expected it to be, or, you know, just the challenges that come with wanting to make a nice home and environment for your family, and maybe not putting yourself first, or like thinking about what would make you happy or what your needs are. I hope that I can keep sharing things with you on this channel and on my other like social media platforms that can help you. So yes, so I'm really excited, and yeah, sending you so much love. Thanks for watching my house tour. Clearly I'm just very emotional these days, but like in a really positive way that I'm just very excited. So I will see you in my next video, and I cannot wait for what's to come this summer and beyond. See you soon. Bye, loves.